Hi everyone, I'm Andrea. I work for Goodordering and I take care of the customer service besides of designing some creative content as well. So today we have a customer inquiry from Kelly who is asking what is the longest that the straps in the mini backpack can go. So here our mini backpack, maroon mini backpack. So we are going to measure. There's our strap here. That's the maximum that it can go. We are going to measure the whole loop. Alright, so is 33 inches and about 84 centimeters. It was right here. So this backpack has actually been designed to be worn by an adult as well. So as you can see, it looks really nice on me as well. Here you go. Got these extra chest strapping here that make sure that the backpack doesn't go anywhere. There are also straps here that allow the mini backpack to be attached to any handles. And we got these 3 reflective stripes as well for extra safety. So I'll be reporting from Boston here for the next 3 months, so just drop me an email to andrea@goodordering.com or in Facebook as well, and I'll be answering. Bye bye, see you next week.